This is the ExactTrades.com Shakers Report for September 28th, 2011. First, we're taking a look at the SPY, the S&P 500. You can see yesterday's session we had this gap up, held up above the gap, and was pretty much trending up all day long. Then had the sharp sell-off at the end of the day and pulled back into the levels of support around this 117 area. Since then, held up, had a bounce up this morning in the pre-market, and we're pulling back on a correction into this 118 support. So we'll see where we're at here over the open. Watch this level right about here, 119.50 area for resistance, and also the bottom of this consolidation area around 118.60, 118.65. Should see some resistance there. Yesterday's low, right around 118.20. Might see that off of the open, depends on where we're going to open. As far as support, right over this 117 area, should find some support there. If we break that, we're going to have support at 116.50, and the next support's going to be around 115. Might have a little bit of support at 116. So those are some areas to watch. I'm looking for another move up today. We'll see if we can get some more buying off the open, push the resistance levels. Stay flexible. I think there'll be good trades both to the long and short side. So watch for the volatility. And let's go ahead and look at today's trades. First, we have ATVI. You can see here we have the resistance level right around 1228. Had a nice consolidation day yesterday near the highs. Looking for a breakout over that 1228. Trigger is going to be 1235, so you're going to want to go long over 1235. First profit target is going to be 1247, so right about there. Second profit target is going to be 1259, so right about here, right under 1260. And then I would trail a stop over that 1260 area, see if we can come in at 1270, possibly 1280. Next, we're looking at DUK. Had the new high open on the gap in yesterday's session, pulled back into the support level right around 1990. We're going to look for a break over this resistance level here, to about 2005. We're going to want to take this long over 2009, so just under 2010. First profit target is going to be 2029. Second profit target is going to be 2049. And then I would trail a stop on your last piece, see if you can get up into 2070. Now we're looking at PRGO. You can see we had the big run up off the open and the pullback, holding up here over support. We're going to look for a continuation day over the new high over 101. Which is a resistance level right about here. Going to take this long over 101.15. First profit target is going to be 102.30. Second profit target is going to be 103.45. And then I would trail a stop. Watch it at 104. Might have a little resistance. And then into 105. Next we have NFLX, Netflix. You can see the big move down that we had following the news. And really it's just consolidated off of the lows. If it was going to bounce, it should have started to move up already. Still getting more selling, really close levels of support. I think that it's going to have 126 and then 125. You can take it on a break below 126, or you can wait below 125. If you take it below 126, you are going to have some support, right around 125 first. So you're going to be taking profit a little bit before 1%. Still can make some pretty good money in that trade, but you have to be nimble. Just make sure you watch that 125. Then if you get a break below 125, you could possibly even add to your position, so you could start small below this 126. But really I'm looking at the 125, so I took it short below 125. I would say right around 124.92. First profit target is going to be 123.70. Second profit target is going to be 122.46. And then I would trail that stop down and see if you can get through 122 and possibly 121. Going to have some solid support at 120 if it can break these areas of support. If it comes down into 120 with increasing volume and accelerating price, I may look for a long off of 120. That's just a possibility, but it has to set up right. So you can watch for that if it does come down into 120. But just look for the short, take your profits, move down your stop, and then try to trail the stop down into this 122, 121 area. Now we have TSL. You can see support level here is right around 7. We're going to look for a break below that support level. We're going to take it short under 695. So right about there. First profit target is going to be 689. So that 1%, take your profit, move down your stop. Second profit target is going to be 682. So just over 680, take some more profit. And then I would trail a stop down into 670 and possibly 660. So down into this area right about here. And our last trade is LUK. You can see the support level here, just under 23. Really has been holding near the lows, especially with the gap in the market and the move up we had in the last couple days. So we look for a break below the support level. We're going to take this short under 22.85. First profit target is going to be 22.63. Second profit target is going to be 22.41. And then I would trail the stop down and see if you can get into 22 area for support. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.